Here I'm going to demonstrate our standard cookie press. You simply have your cookie press here with a cylinder. You release button to open it up. You're going to just simply squeeze in approximately half a tube of ready baked dough that you'll buy straight at your grocery store. You're going to pick your shape of cookie you want. You're going to place it in to your lid, screw it on tightly, and then you are going to release your brake and press until you have punched out most of the air. You're going to give it 2 quick pumps and clean your end, and now you're ready to go. You're simply going to put it flush onto your cookie sheet or baking stone, pump twice and raise. Move it 2 inches over, pump twice and raise. 2 inches again, pump twice and raise. Now you can change your decoration to any decoration. If you would like to do a ribbon cookie, you're simply going to put the ribbon cutter on there. Tighten up again. Pump down to make sure your dough is directly into your thing. And you're going to do this one at a 45 degrees angle and just continually pump. And it will make a nice little ribbon cookie. Use your imagination and you can create some very wonderful holiday cookies.